Hey, what's up, guys? Online entrepreneur here, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we talk about 5 legitimate website to make money online and make amount over and over again. In this video, we gonna see 5 website. That's 5 website is the most popular website we probably heard of, but you don't be in action in this website. Be consistent in this website, and you'll make a good amount of money with this website. Let's dive into the video. My name is Online Entrepreneur. Welcome to this channel. This is the second video of this channel. Let's talk about in this video, guys. First website we probably see the Future Point. This is the most unique website in the internet. It's paid over 5.6 million since 2012, and this is a survey website or referral program or any type of website. This website are partnered with big names in the industry: Best Buy, Sephora, Forever 21, Walmart. And if you work with this website, first you need at least a phone. I think everyone got a phone, and you're watching with this phone, and install any apps or Android or an iOS. Install and get a point and redeem this point with a gift card, PayPal, Amazon, Xbox, any type of payment option like to withdraw your money. And next, with this website, it is good website. I think everyone get this website and make good amount of side hustle. Next website we gonna talk about Enably. You also probably heard of Enably. This is the good website and less amount of point and good amount of money in this website. You make 5 minutes with 23 points, 58 minutes 5 minutes 58 points, 5 minutes 17 points. It's good. You can see watch ads and referral program and buy things in online and surveys, many more. Enably people are making good amount of money with Enably. You see many people's making 13 hours ago, one day 13 hours, many people making with this money. In this website paid with the PayPal or Amazon gift card, and sign up with this website. Next website, you didn't probably heard of this website because it's a new one, and everyone in this internet didn't talk about this website, but we talk about this website. This is the good way to website. This is Timebox.com. This is the legitimate website paying money in the PayPal. Only you get daily bonus, start earning instantly, referral program, weekly payout, many more way to make money with this website. And I think you can follow people in Insta, you get paid. This is a good way to make money, guys. Easily follow people and get paid. And next website we're gonna talk about Priceable.com. This is also a good website. And did you see La Cantina has claimed PayPal money 30 minutes ago? This is a good website. You also get surveys, watch videos, and many more. 19 million payouts since 2012. This is less than compared to Future Point, but it's a good way. This is a new company and paid more and less competition. First sign up and start making money today. Next website we're gonna talk about, this is the last and final website. It's the best website also. This website is Neobugs. This is the good website and lots of opportunity to make money in this website. This is the revenue website. This is not gonna be rich, but this is a side hustle to buy a phone, to buy a car, silent car, not a new car, but it's buy a car unpaid bills, unpaid rents, anything else you want with threshold of $1,000. This is the simplest way to earn money by unique ad price. And let's talk about the 5 website, guys. This 5 website is based on the referral program and survey program. This is the active income. You work, you get paid. You paid a lot, and you paid more. Even you work with 5 website. If you get $5 with this website, $5 with Priceable, $10 with Timebucks, $5 with Enably, $10 with Future Point, you get at least at $25 or $15. I'm not good at math. Please math this one. I think $25 in a day, and over again. If you work put a hard, you probably make $100 per day. It's the easiest websites in the world and make good amount of money. It's a good way to money. It is a good way to make money, guys. Please be action, be consistent, put your hard work and make good amount of money. This is about our video, guys. We are gonna talking about how to make money online over and over again with 5 legitimate website. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy this, guys, and I hope you like this video, guys. And let's see my next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Make money online. I love you.